With a large water removal capacity of up to 180 pints per day in a space as large as 7,000 square feet. This heavy-duty dehumidifier can fit virtually every residential, commercial, and industrial need, being ideal dehumidifiers for large basements, warehouses, garages, office buildings, workshop, indoor pool, supermarkets, restaurants, etc. The motorized impeller moving at 324 CFM ensures maximum airflow for faster drying. You can even get jobs done within 10 minutes. What's more, this commercial-grade dehumidifier is also great for water damage restoration after a flood or leak, and new building construction drying. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. This commercial dehumidifier with a pump is built to automatically pump out the water regularly without requiring any human intervention. A 10-feet hose is included, and the condensate pump moves water up to 16 feet vertically and even longer horizontally, so the water can be easy and safe to drain to a nearby drain, sink, bucket, or to the outdoors through the window. Number 2. Simple to use. Simply plug it in, turn it on, then let it run. It features a light touch intelligent control panel, which let you see the operating settings at a glance. Adjust to your ideal moisture setting. LCD displays relative humidity of the space. Number 3. Reusable filter for easy maintenance. High density to protect internal components from damage due to dust and other particles. High airflow to ensure maximum airflow throughout operation for high efficiency. Easy to access and clean. And reusable. Number 4. Equipped with HGV defrosting for low temp operation. Quickly melt frost buildup on the coils and resume dehumidifying. Maintain high dehumidification efficiency even in low temperatures. Ensure low temperature operation in cold environments as low as 33 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 5. Easy and safe to move around. Semi-pneumatic tires are puncture-proof, lightweight, and rugged for long service life. A convenient handle makes maneuver more comfortable and easier. Power cord winder on the back helps to keep the 8.6 feet long power cord neat and safe while transportation. Number 6. Easily carried and stored. The large semi-pneumatic wheels and rigid handle make this large dehumidifier portable from job sites to job sites, even from downstairs to upstairs. The long PVC drain hose and power cord, adding ultimate flexibility for installation, can be wrapped on the winders on the back. The handle is foldable and the rugged housing is stackable, which saves valuable spaces for both storage and transportation. Number 7. Emergency drain outlet. When the pump does not drain because the pump reservoir gets dirty or the pump reservoir is not in place, you can use this emergency drain outlet first for draining. Then you can check if the pump reservoir is not in place or it gets dirty. And then you can take the next stop to place the pump reservoir at the correct position or clean the pump reservoir. Number 8. Ductable air outlet to achieve maximum moisture removal. A built-in snap ring mount located on the air outlet allows for easy attachment of ducting. The duct needs to purchase separately. Number 9. Commercial-grade dehumidifier. This commercial dehumidifier with 324 CFM airflow volume can remove up to 180 pints of moisture from the air per day at saturation. Ideal for flood and water damage restoration, carpet cleaning, fast drying and indoor gardening, greenhouse, construction areas, marine environments, and large spaces up to 7,000 square feet. Number 10. Remarkable durability. Roto-molded housing is much better at resisting dents, abrasion, and corrosion than metal housing while protecting the delicate interior components from any impact damage. This ETL-listed water damage dehumidifier is also backed with a 2-year free warranty to ensure a maximum lifespan that lasts several years. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Where is the dehumidifier made? Answer. Our dehumidifiers are made in China. Question number 2. Is there a pump to remove water from the garage? Answer. This commercial-grade dehumidifier built in an internal heavy-duty condensate pump of 16 feet drain height. This unit can be used in the garage. Question number 3. Can you set cycles to run for 12 hours a day without having to manually turn it on each day? Answer. There is a timer setting for that. You can set up the time for auto turn on or turn off. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.